My name is Ricardo. I'm a fisheries officer at Fisheries Division of the Ministry of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries. This particular training led by Dr. Baldwin, I think, could be instrumental in terms of bringing use of more technology into the division's activities. We involve in many climate change projects, which involve coastal erosion. I think it will be instrumental in terms of marine spatial planning, enforcement, and surveillance. I think it also has many different applications in terms of our collaborative efforts with entities like the IMA, Coastal Protection Units, and other agencies in terms of trying to reduce the vulnerability of coastal communities and, of course, our stakeholders doing fishery in these communities. And we believe that as a division, use of technology is really leading us into the future. I think that fisheries department should be added. And this is one aspect that I think has been pretty crucial. I think that it is timely. I think that it really would have a point in the past on the fishing industry.